Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Ethereum wallet to your Cash App. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So first you need to do is open up your Cash App and then you need to click on this home icon, or it can also show your balance. So just click on this icon. After that, this will open up this screen. So from here you have to click on this Bitcoin option. Then you need to scroll down from here and you will see this option deposit Bitcoin. So just tap on it. If you click on this first time, it may ask you to verify your identity. So just click on this verify identity button and provide your personal details and your identity will be verified. After that, you will see your Bitcoin address. So just click on this copy button and your wallet address will be copied. Now once you have your Bitcoin address, you need to open up your Cash App, your Ethereum wallet, such as the Trust wallet or MetaMask. So just you can open it anyone that you have. So after that, you need to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer from your Ethereum wallet to your Cash App. After that, first you need to swap that cryptocurrency if it isn't Bitcoin, because the Cash App only support Bitcoin. So you just have to convert that currency in Bitcoin first. So just click on this swap button from the bottom. Then in this section, from simply select your cryptocurrency, and in the to section you have to select your Bitcoin and then enter the amount, and your cryptocurrency will be converted into Bitcoin. After that, you need to open up your Bitcoin BTC cryptocurrency. Then this will show you the several options such as send, receive, buy and more. So you have to click on this send button. Then you just have to paste the wallet address that you have copied from the Cash App right here, and then enter the amount that you want to transfer and then click on this next button. And once you do that, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from your Ethereum wallet to your Cash App. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.